Alright guys, video here. Back with a quick vid. First run of the Arrma Limitless with the new setup. 2.3 miles right now. I'm gonna give it a quick little pass, none too hard. So first run on it, so it's gonna do a light pass just to see how she's moving. Check all the trims and everything. Brakes working pretty good. So real light, none too crazy. That was a quick half pull. I pulled it pretty aggressive. I didn't really take my time to pull it. That was 69 on a quick half pull. Again, this is not going to be the full pull. All right, I'm gonna pull. A little bit harder of a pull this time and see. I'm trying to establish braking. The braking is a lot better now. But again, it's a whole different animal compared to what I had before, so I'm not interested in just tearing my car up. That guy flying that drone up there. That was 72. It was a quick 72 miles an hour. Again, I'm doing a quick blast. It's like zip, not even holding it. I'm gonna do one more. Turn her around. Hold on. Somebody coming. All right. There we go. Woo! Oh man, she was starting to eat, guys. She was starting to eat, and I'm going to be totally honest with you. I got a little nervous. I mean, she was very smooth, very stable. Not even going to lie. It was really me, because I'm really not trying to tear this car up. I know it's a short run over here, so I didn't want to push my luck too much. But let's just see what we got. But yeah, I was able to hold it a little bit. I kind of rushed the pull, and it stayed. And I kind of hit it and just kind of got out of it, and that was 85 miles an hour, 85.3. Again, that was a very short pull. I mean barely anything. All right, show you guys that. You can see it. 85. Let me get out the way, these cars are coming. I said it was a very short pull, guys, barely anything. All right, let's see if I could get that in the camera for you guys. That's 85.3. And that was, like I said, that was barely anything, man. So I kind of rushed the pull. It's kind of like zit, and that was it. I didn't even stay in it. I didn't do anything, only because it's my first time out with it and all that. Let me see the motor. I mean, the motor is warm. It's not even hot. I got the sensor. It's a 2200 milliamp the 2200 kV castle system, Mamba 8S ESC 23S ripplekiller cap pack. Shout outs to Philip Jolly. So it real nice. I mean, the gear is not even aggressive at all. Again, I did 85. The motor's not even hot. Got my hands on it. I mean, it's barely warm. Like I said, 85.3 miles an hour. Just did one of those quick zzz, and that was it. Did 85. The brakes feel good. The car was pretty straight and solid. It didn't really shake. I just wasn't prepared, to be honest. I wasn't ready to really just sit here and let it go. I really want to get it to the roads. I'm gonna plug in a video of my when I was out there with VA Boy. He did some passes on his cars, so I'm just gonna add those videos into this video, so you can see what he did as well with his car. But yeah, man, if I get this over onto his road, next time we meet up, I'm gonna take it over there, and it's a lot longer, a lot more space. I'll be able to kind of really get into her. So the ESC cooling fan just turned off. But yeah, man, it's a great car, man. It's so smooth. I gotta get ready for this because that speed is coming for real. All right, again, appreciate you guys for watching, and I'm gonna roll into other footages. All right, have a good one. There you go, keep it straight. What do you think? 101, and that was a short pass. That was probably what, half throttle, what, three quarters?
I didn't even when I got here, I tried to open it, but I got real comfortable when I got right here. I felt